Fed up with restaurant life? Escape the grind and earn $300 a day. Long hours, low pay, and constant stress. Sound familiar? Does cooking during a busy shift make you feel like throwing plates? Does serving rude and entitled guests make you question humanity? Does the micromanaging of shift managers make you want to scream? Or maybe even punch someone in the face? I've been there. You bust your ass, yet your paycheck barely covers rent. You miss holidays, weekends, and time with family. All for what? A few measly tips, low wages, and a sore back? What if I told you there's a way out? A way to make $300 a day in just 2 hours. No boss breathing down your neck. No exhausting shifts. No dealing with guests who treat you like a servant. Just you, your laptop, and Wi-Fi. Work from anywhere. Set your own hours. Take back your life. I made the switch, and I've never looked back. If you're ready to escape the grind, click below. Let's get you started. You'll even get my Freedom Formula blueprint showing you how it all works. Get started now.